Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to join PartnerStack affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC. Go to the search bar and type in PartnerStack affiliate program. Hit enter and you will see this page. On this page, click on this Become a PartnerStack affiliate partner link. When you click on this link, you will see this page. Here, you'll have to click on Become an affiliate partner button. You will be automatically scrolled down and you will see this page. Click on the Apply Now button in blue and another page will open up on your PC. Now you'll have to explore, earn and excel so you can find your next partnership opportunity and grow your business with PartnerStack through this page. Here you'll have to search for the program that you want to sign up for an affiliate for. So I'm going to select this one for example. So click on any one of those programs and this will open up that program's page. Here you can see the abouts, offer structure and how the program works and some more information related to that program. If you want to apply for that program, click on the Apply to Program button and this page will open up on your PC. After you click on that button, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to select what type of partner are you. So I will select Affiliate Marketer and click on Next. Now you'll have to enter your business website. You'll have to enter your LinkedIn profile. You'll have to select where are you located and tell them something about your business. Then click on the next button after filling out all these information. So you can cut that out and on this page, you can apply to any network that you want. Click on Apply to Network button. This will open up this page. Here, you'll have to choose what type of partner are you. So choose Affiliate Marketer, then click on Next. Now fill out the information on this page. Click on Next and finish providing your information to this page. After that, you'll be successfully able to join the PartnerStack affiliate program. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.